There are billions and billions of animals always on the move around the planet. All of this has to do with the geography of the planet and the cosmology of the planet. All life is not moving by itself. Everything is part of a planetary program. It's a universal program. The whole universe is a single, gigantic program of nature that's moving. Everything moves all the time, and it's all synchronized. What is that intelligence that glues everything together? What is the connection between everything? Plants, animal life, cosmological phenomena. How does it all work together? What we're seeing is just hints of something we can call the mind of nature. The mind of nature exists in the connection between everything that exists, the glue that binds everything together. That is beyond our immediate perception, and yet it governs everything that we do, think, and feel, because it is the program that connects everything.